So today in this video we are going to clear the Google history. So it just take only couple of steps to clear the history from Google. So first of all go on google.com and then on the top right corner there is a three dot, click on that, and after that you find a history option. Then click on history. Again you have to click on history so that it shows all the histories of Google. Then go on the delete browsing data, which is on the left side. After that you have lots of option. Just uncheck the cookies and cached image options, because you have to not delete your cookies and cached images. Just only make sure you have to you were ticked on browsing history. Then click on delete data. Now your all Google Chrome data is deleted.